Hey guys, it's Jericho. We're at River Rock Casino playing Timberwolf Legends Edition. We got 18 free spins and all these old men turn to wolves. And we got four games here. So let's see how we do, guys. Oh, there's a multiplier down here. Woof, woof. Oh yeah, that's nice. We'll take it. Oh my God, guys, we got all the wolves 15 times here. Look at that. Oh my God. Woo! Oh yeah. And we got the 3 times here. Down at the bottom. And we got a 3 times up there, but I don't think that connects, so it might roll again. Woo, 120. Yeah, it's rolling again. There we go. Oh, nothing on that one. Oh, we got 5 times the jacks on that all the way through, guys. All right, let's zoom back out. We got a lot of free games, guys. We're on spin number 5 of 18. See that, guys? 5 of 18. We got the bonus, and we're killing it. All right, we have a 5 times multiplier up there, but I don't think it'll spin. Oh, it will. Oh, nothing on that. 3 times multiplier down there and up there, but they connect, so. Spin 7 of 18, 8 of 18. Oh, we got the 3 times the bears down here, guys. This 5 is going to respin. Come on, 3, give me the 3 times in there. Nope. Oh, we had the 15, guys, but we didn't have anything to match it with. All right, we got 9 free spins left. This is just a $2 bet, and we're up to 150 already, so. All right, there's a 3 times multiplier on the bottom here. And a 5 times up here. Let's zoom in on this one. Come on, give me the 3. Nothing there. Zoom in back out. All right, we got a few kings there, not much.
Accessory broadcast. This is the final body of the coast D1. Missing the angle on the meter and footwell.
Nothing there.
Make your way to the motor coast immediately. You will be departing in 5 minutes. Thank you.